So what it sounds like you want to do is create a section and then have the section line have like a custom leader or a line here. So I'm just going to go and create our section real quick. So you'll notice that basically this line is on the dots and it has the dash. So first off, we're going to go ahead and show entire line, turn that off. So now we just have this line. Now we can right click and say edit. So that point is actually on that line. So I'm going to delete these real quick and just show you a different way to do it. So there's our section line. If we project our geometry and turn on sketch only, basically grab this line and grab that line. So then if we say this line is going to be on that center point, and let's just make this line perpendicular, parallel. So then you can dimension to the outside here. So let's say 2.25, and then another one at 2.25. So when we finish our sketch now, that line is kind of where you want it, but you also want that little dash in here. So what we're going to do is create another sketch. Just hit S, or you can go up here to the sketch tab, start a sketch, select the actual view. Now you're in the view. You can go ahead in here, turn our sketch again, project our geometry, and then draw a line. So if we basically draw a line from there to there and have it stick on that point, and then again to here. So you'll see that this line can kind of go all over, put these in line with each other so they're always the same. And I'm going to dimension the line itself at maybe there. Yeah, let's call it something like that. And then dimension from here to here at 0.75. So now we have this line over here. I'm going to say equals, with the equals button, or you can go up here to equals and have those be the exact same. Now the offset from the endpoint to here is going to be the same. So you'll notice now we are still fully constrained. So I'm now going to select both of these. Now let's see, this line and that line. I'm going to go to Format. Oops. And I'm going to change this to 0.55, which is the same as that line. And then again over here, 0.55. And then I'm also going to change this to the long dashed. So that way you'll notice that now that little line shows up. And again over here, long dash dotted. So you'll notice that one stops there and starts here. So we have a little bit of a difference. So you can take this one and go, okay, so that's close enough. So then you can mess with this, because if you make it too big, like 8, it'll then give you multiple dashes. So we just want one. So now these are basically linked. They're the same. They're going to have the same offset. And then when you finish, oops. We have these on sketch only on accident. There you go. So now you have the dash and your sketch. So I think that's kind of what you're going for. If you're looking for something else, you can either post an inventor idea, but I think that's the best you're going to get for that style, as it might be a limitation. So I hope that helped.